Hey everyone, this is the mini for the cordless stick vacuum from a Sybil Sprouse. 8 at 5. Spot 1 gets 10, spot 2 gets 5, and spot 3 gets 5 on the main. Copy the list. Go live. 10:59, rolling over to 11 o'clock. Paste the list. Roll our dice, we need a 4 higher. 11 o'clock. We have 8. 11 o'clock. 8 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, there's still 8 items on the list. Mr. Percy Harris is on the top. Miss Angela Blackwell is on the bottom. We randomized 7 times. The dice call for an 8. 11 o'clock, last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 1 gets 10 on the main. That is Stephanie. Spot 2 gets 5. That is Mr. Chance Nolan. And spot 3 gets 5. That's also Mr. Chance Nolan. Congrats, winners. 8 items on the list. 8 times. The dice call for an 8. We are done. 11:01. Thanks, everyone.